Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this super easy quick festive makeup look for you guys. You totally don't need to use the same products that I've used, but if in case you're interested in buying these products, I have mentioned the link to all the products in the description box so that you can check them out. And without further ado, let's just start with the video. To begin with, I am using my Cetaphil moisturizing cream and I'll moisturize my face with a generous amount of quantity. So next I'm going to use my pore minimizing primer by Sugar, and I'll take small quantity and I'll apply under my eyes, on my nose, my eyelid, forehead and around my nose. I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade Cashew. I'll be applying small dots all over my face and I will blend the foundation with the help of my foundation brush. This foundation is high coverage and it is good for parties and events. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Refined Concealer and I'll apply good amount under my eye, on my eyelid, my forehead, tip of my nose and my chin area, and blend that out with the same foundation brush that I've used. I simply love this concealer because it removes all the fine lines that you have under your eye or around your face. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit to Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm in the shade 25 and I'll set all the areas where I've applied the concealer with the help of a powder brush. Next, I'm starting with my eye makeup. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro palette and I'm using these three shades first: Passion, Influence and Intervention. And first I'll be using the Passion shade and I'll apply onto my crease till the time I'm happy with the shade, how it looks. And I'll be using my blending brush to blend that out. I'll slowly and eventually start building, build more coverage, build more color. Next, I'm taking the Influence shade and just applying it on the crease area and then blending it out. I'm just reapplying the Influence shade and just blending it more with a blending brush till I'm happy with how it looks. Next, I'm using the Intervention shade, which is like a pink shade, and I'm applying in the inner corners of my eyes with a small brush. Next, I'm using the shade Deviate. It's a very shimmery green shade. I'm applying on the inner and the mid area of my lid. Next, I'll be using the same light brown and dark brown shade and I'll apply on the lower lash line. I'll also be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with my highlighter. I'm using my Champagne Pop highlighter by Becca. Next, I'm going to use my Nykaa liquid eyeliner and I'm drawing a winged eyeliner. Next I'm using Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil, and this is the shade medium brown. With using this eyebrow pencil, I'll just fill in my eyebrows. I simply love this eyebrow pencils. There are 3 to 4 shades in this one, and this is the perfect match for me. And you will see how it looks, after filling the eyebrows. It gives a very beautiful definition. It completely changes your entire makeup look. Okay, so I have also applied false eyelashes offline. Next I'm going to use a bronzer. I'm using my Savannah bronzer. This is a trio bronzer that I have. I'll mix both the shades, dark and the light brown shade, and I'll blend using a contour brush. I'll just contour my entire face, like my jawline, my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, so that I get that beautiful chisel look. I've also applied my false eyelashes offline. Um, I think it gives like a really beautiful drama to your eye look. If in case you're not very comfortable wearing eyelashes, you can definitely skip this step. Next I'm using my Maybelline concealer to just again apply it on the highest point of my nose, so that I get that very sharp nose look, and I'll blend that out with the help of a brush and my fingers as well. Next I'm using a Miss Claire blusher palette, and from this palette I'm taking this very dark mauve color, and I'll just apply on the apples of my cheeks and then blend it out with the same brush. So guys, next I'm using my highlighter, which is by Becca. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. I really loved how this highlighter look on Indian skin tone. This will really suit from whitish to darker skin tone, and this is such a blending highlighter. It is not chunky at all. Once you apply it, it looks so beautiful, and I get so many compliments whenever I wear it. Next I'm applying my liquid lipstick by Chambord. This is the shade 431. It's such a beautiful carrot red color, and it looks so beautiful after applying, and it is not very drying. I really love the formula. And with that, I have concluded my look. Please let me know how did you find the look.
Hey guys, so with that I would conclude the look, and I really loved how it turned out. It is so festive, and December is my wherein I love to dress up and go out with my friends. And I am definitely planning to do more videos for Christmas and New Year's. Before we leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. So in future if I post any videos, you will definitely get a notification video. Bye.